Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be unboxing the fur fluffs. This is really expensive. So yeah, let's get started. First, I'm just going to cut open the front. There's some plastic on it, so I'm just going to cut it. Okay, here it is, really fluffy. So I'm just going to, don't really know how to open this. I guess I'll just open it from the side. My camera is a little bit wonky today. Out you little fluff thing. I really don't know how to get this open. I'm just going to open the other side as well. And just going to push it out. If you know how to open these, you're like really smart. Because these are really hard to take out. I'll just rip open the box, I guess. Someone's opening the door. Someone just came in. That was just my brother. So I'm just gonna continue opening. Oh, I just got all the wrapper off. Now for the back place. That's why I couldn't get it out, because these things were stuck to the back of it. There's a bunch of instructions on the bottom. And another instruction. And a little bottom piece that gets the animal out. Probably unscrew this to get it out. Okay, one out, and second one. Second one, I got it out as well. The second one, I got it out, and now my thing is out. Get the instructions real quick. Some stuff there. So here are the these are not the instructions, right? Are these the instructions? No. Are these the instructions? No. Oh, I found the instructions. I have no idea which one is the instructions, guys. But I found the English and Chinese. Yeah, I have no idea how to set this up. I just pulled something out. Wait, I think those were the ears. Oh, it's coming out? What? Okay, I have no idea how to do this. And that's it for this video. I'll keep you continued on Instagram, I guess. Bye.